Shanice Handbags here, and welcome. If you guys are new here and you enjoy watching handbag unboxings, bag reveals, accessories, fashion, then please make sure to go ahead and click that subscribe button. So happy Mother's Day to everyone. When you guys see this video, it is definitely going to be after Mother's Day, but I wanted to come on and share one of my Mother's Day bags that I received. But I wanted to come on and share with you guys my bag that finally arrived. Now, I have been eyeing this bag on and off for a little minute. I've even mentioned it way back when in my What's Hot video for Coach Outlet. And y'all, I have tried this bag on in person so many times in all the different sizes, a few of the colors, and I finally made a decision and purchased my bag, y'all. So I am so excited to share this bag with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw up the unboxing, and then we are gonna come back and we are gonna chit chat it up about this gorgeous bag, y'all. Alright guys, as you can see from the unboxing, I picked up the large Evelyn. Y'all, I am so excited, y'all. Now, I have been eyeing this bag for so long, y'all, and I could not decide on which one I wanted. Now, originally, I was looking at the leather quilted ones, and when this one dropped, I was kind of hesitant on whether or not I wanted to pick up this bag in denim, but my store had this in stock and they only had one. I went in and I saw this bag. I felt on this bag. I tried this bag on and I fell in love. And I went home immediately and added this to cart, y'all. And I am so glad I did. I am not disappointed whatsoever, y'all. So let's take a look around this gorgeous bag, y'all. So this is in the size large. The Evelyn did come in two sizes, or I should say does come in two sizes. This is the large, and the price on this one was $249, and I believe the smaller size is the same price as well too. So I was like, yeah, let me just go ahead and get me a large, because if they're gonna be the same price, I might as well get the larger bag, y'all. And plus, you know your girl love a big bag anyway. Now, this bag does come with gold hardware. It does have the raised Coach logo as well as the horse and carriage on here. It comes with the shoulder strap on here as well too. You get the vachetta leather with the chain detailing as well too. Absolutely love that. You get the gold grommets in there as well too that holds the chain, and I gotta say the chain and the leather combo on here is not heavy, but it's not flimsy either, if that makes sense, guys. And then here on the side you do get the vachetta Coach hang tag as well too, and if you didn't want your hang tag on there, you could take that off and put your bag charms right there as well too. I love the quilted detailing on this bag with the denim. It feels so good. Now, this is in the color indigo. And then you do get that nice rich blue navy light color on the bottom. So you do get a leather script on the bottom. You don't get feet, but I do appreciate that they did put the leather on the bottom to help keep the denim from getting dirty. And then it does have a zip closure here at the top. The zipper track is in gold. You do get a nice large zipper pull as well. And then I do like the little gold detailing that they have on the end of the zipper. Hopefully you guys can see that, but it does have the horse and carriage on that as well too. So I thought that was a nice touch that Coach added on to this bag. I also love the scrunch effect on this bag. Do y'all see that? It is gorgeous. And you even get it on the top of the bag as well too. You do get that leather piece on the top where the zipper is. And I do have a SOG to go with this. So this is the pencil case and the signature in that indigo color as well. I am considering picking up the wallet and the corner zip bracelet as well too to match this bag, just so that I have a nice set to go with it. So I am going to take all of the stuffing out because it is a lot. I even got a little foam in the bottom to keep the shape of the bag. And so when it's not stuffed, y'all, this bag is puddly, y'all. Do y'all see that? Look at it. I love it. I absolutely love it. So I will say, if you get the larger size, and just because you want a larger bag and you may not necessarily pack a whole lot, you may want to put an organizer in her as well, just to help her keep her shape, because if not, she's going to puddle. I'm not sure whether or not I'm going to do an organizer yet. We're going to have to see after I pack her up if I even need one. But if I do, I'll probably just have to order one off of Amazon to put in her. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior. It does have that darker blue interior in there as well too. You do get the Coach Creed on that back wall as well. The front of the bag, because you do not get a back zipper compartment, the only organization you get is those two slip pockets in the front of the bag, in the interior front of the bag. So that is the only organization you get in the inside. But I'm gonna tell you guys, this bag is so big that I'm not even mad that it doesn't come with a back zipper compartment. Like, not at all, y'all, because this bag is huge. Okay, this bag is so big you can fit a 15-inch laptop in here. Yes, I said it, a 15-inch laptop. Okay, so let's go over the measurements of this bag. The shoulder drop on here is 9.5 inches, and the length of this bag is 14.25 inches. So that is the length of the bag. The height of the bag is 12.5 inches. And then the width of the bag, or the depth of the bag, is 4.75 inches as well. So you get a nice bottom, almost 5 inches for the bottom of the bag. So you definitely can fit a lot in here. Y'all, when I tell y'all, this bag is gorgeous. And I am so glad that I went with the denim as my first one. I definitely want another Evelyn. There is no questions about that. I definitely want another one, and I will be adding another one to my collection hopefully soon, guys. This is the tag for the bag, in case anybody wants to see that. Now, I'm not sure if this bag is still available, especially for whenever I do decide to drop this video. I'm not sure if this bag is going to still be available. If it is, I will make sure to leave it linked down below in the description. But even if the denim one is not still available, I will make sure to leave the links for the other ones down below as well too. Even if you don't pick up the large, definitely pick up one of the Evelyns, because I feel like if this bag goes out of rotation and you don't pick it up, you're gonna be sad that you missed out on this bag. And so that was one of the reasons why I definitely had to pick her up as a Mother's Day gift. Now, this was the bag that I did pick up for myself. I will be sharing with you guys the other bags that I did get for Mother's Day as well too. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys were able to get your hands on the Evelyn, and if so, what size did you pick up, and how are you liking or not liking the Evelyn in your collection, guys? Now, if you stuck with your girl this far, please make sure to go ahead and drop some green hearts down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new here. Like the video, share it, and click that bell, guys. That way I know you was notified every time I upload new content. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.